Yep, that's right. We're doing it again, backed by popular demand. Okay, you guys been asking when is the next workshop? It's gonna be on my birthday weekend, September 21st. Come on down here to Savannah, Georgia, and rock out with tenacity. Okay, we're doing it again, the master class workshop.
Takeaway was pricing, how I was doing it. You're definitely right about the cash flow. And you could have read me like a book. I am overpaying and overworked. Okay.
Get your early bird tickets now. It's only $97. Don't wait to the last minute.
The gems that Katrina and Tamika was giving in the workshop, I wouldn't have got that off of YouTube. Like there was some things that they was telling us that I did not know about.
This investment is, I mean, it's so worth it for your cleaning business, whether you're a beginner or you're in the middle or you already at the top. I mean, you need everything here, y'all.
And it was a pleasant surprise. The workshop was great. The food was great. Everything was great. I was so happy.
Oh, good morning. I wanted to hop on here and say thank you to Tenacity Academy for hosting their first workshop. It was awesome, just like I expected it to be. Both of the women hosting it, Miss Johnson and Miss Tamika, they are just very intelligent women. And that's exactly the kind of place that I want to be in, is surrounded by intelligent women. So coming there, I had it set in my head like, okay, the focus is to focus on learning my SOPs, standard operating procedures. That is the highlight of where I'm at with everything. And I learned so much more coming in there. So the value that I took away from it was exactly what I expected it to be. And I actually seen while I was there that for a startup, like a brand new startup company, they really give it to you from step 1 to step 25. They give you all the details, exactly step by step, how to do things, and they give you tools so you can have a support system along the way too for when you get stuck. So I just want to say thank you guys for hosting your first workshop. I'm glad I got to be a part of it. I wouldn't miss it. And I can't wait to see you again.
Hey fam, it's Felicia here with Mac Maids and the Mac Institute. I am here just really briefly to share with you just the amazing experience that I had with Miss Tamika and Miss Johnson. I attended their business workshop and I will tell you guys, it blessed me, okay? Like their transparency, they are so open and just willing to share. There was no gatekeeping going on, that is for sure. And it was just a good vibe. You ever just go to a conference and it's a good vibe? That's how it was. And not only that, they gave actionable information. They gave links, downloads. We all had our laptops open and we're actually doing the work. So if you're looking for someone to partner with, for someone to assist you in coaching or building your cleaning company, I highly recommend that you check them out.